Hey Tiffany, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and we're here to talk about coast to coast restoration, and also we're going to see where you are in the web space and your competitors and where they're at, and that way you have a better understanding of kind of how this works. So, with that, let's get to it. So, I want to start by looking at your website that you have. Um, It looks really nice. I like the design of it, and I like um, that you have these clickables up here. Um, your services. Let's take a scroll down and kind of look at this. I like this picture here, the backdrop. Let's see. You have a Learn More tab here. That's about it. But before we get more into this, I kind of want to show you the three different ways on how you can be found on the internet. Okay, if someone uh, searches for your services, say water damage, this keyword here, which is water damage restoration, San Diego, California, right? Um, one of the things that you're going to be found, or one of the ways, excuse me, is by a sponsored ad, maybe that you can pay for, and it'll land you up here. Um, so that's pretty much the first thing that will get you found. The second thing that you'll be found, or that you could be found, is on the map pack area, and these three top positions is the organic spots of the map pack. So these three slots right here are you get about 30% of your business from these three slots, and in order to get here, you need to have citations more than these guys. And also, you got to fully optimize your Google Business Profile to get all these where these guys are at. So that's a second way to be found. Third way to be found is the organics section. Yelp has this section. Angie's List has the second section, and Bill Howie has this section. So that's the third way you could be found. Now, 70% of your business owners are being, or excuse me, of your business is made right here. So if you're not on these top three slots, I recommend you do, and um, if not, you'll be basically just leaving money on the table. So with that being said, let's go back to our discussion of the websites. What Google really likes is content. Now, Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 keywords, or excuse me, words of content. So on here, it kind of looks like you got maybe 100 words here. Um, let's take a quick look at your competitor's website and why they are ranking for content. Um, okay, let's take a quick look. Kind of scroll down here. Okay, like benefits. It looks like he's got pretty good content here. I don't see any keywords. Okay, so this right here is, yes, that's his homepage. So I don't see Google really likes at least one keyword for every 250 words of content that you have on your homepage. So that's something that would need to happen in order to get up here. But these guys have about 700-800 words of content here. So I'm not seeing any keywords though. Usually keywords are bold faced, and I do not see any. So with that, let's take a quick look at a tool that shows the present view of your website. So here is Coast to Coast Restoration. Let's pull it up here. Okay, here's Coast to Coast. This is your website here. UR is your strength, and the DR is the trust that Google has. You have only 10 organic keywords going through your website with zero organic traffic. So you got to think of your website as a virtual ATM, so to speak. So that's pretty much what's going on with your website. Let's take a quick look at your competitor's website. Bill Howie, he's got 45 power, 35 strength out of a scale of 100. He's got 3.0K organic traffic. So he's getting all the traffic when you, in fact, type water damage restoration. When these clients are, or possible clients are searching for your business, say they need water damage done, work done, these guys are at the top right here, the top 3 spots. So they are getting all the traffic. Here is a list of your guys' keywords that you guys are using, and you only have 1 page of this. So this is kind of a layout of what organic keywords are being used with your website. This is the volume, the KD, coast by coast. So yeah, I mean, definitely to optimize, we would need to use these guys as keywords, which here's their organics. We'll kind of open that up real fast. And I'll show you a little bit about what they're doing as far as keywords looks like. So let's let it work here. Okay, so okay, so here's the keywords right here. Look at the volume of this. Now these are, keep in mind, these are national keywords, so it really doesn't matter. Yeah, they're ranking high up there, but what we really would want to focus on is to optimize your website to where it's being optimized locally. Now this is being at a national, so Google don't care about national and local areas. So you want to make sure that we are targeting the local area that you are located at. So with that being said, I mean, just remember there's 3 different ways to be found. There's your sponsored, here's your map pack area with the citations, and the 3 different organic spots that we just discussed on how we can get here. So with that, Tiffany, I hope this information was useful to you. If you can use a guide that may help you through this journey, feel free to give me a shout out. My name is Joshua with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995, or you could reach my email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.